Pakistan is right now in the dasha of the Venus, Mahadasha of the Venus, and sub period of the Mercury. Now guys, in the case of the Pakistan, the concern over here is that in 2027, when this Venus Ketu will begin, their Ketu is placed in the 8th house. That is going to be the time when the country will have to face extreme kind of internal pressure, where the country might be partitioned and split. So this is going to be the time when Ketu, which in itself act as a scissor. So many people have been contemplating that this could happen right now, but if I were to say guys, I'm seeing that to be happening in 2027 more. Now this year in itself is very sensitive for Pakistan, like the way I mentioned. Wherever Saturn is right now transiting in the chart of the countries, it has already started creating, like breaking down the energy. Now who would have imagined that even in Canada's case, now even like Alberta has been like talking about its sovereignty, Quebec has always talked about it. So in the case of the Pakistan, the Saturn energy is operating in the 12th house. So that means yes, they are going through major kind of conflict, internal conflict which they have to deal with. Ketu is transiting over their 5th house. So I mean to say, it's not gonna be a surprise that the army is going to put all the senior Pakistani ministers in a flight to London, and then there is going to be a military coup which will happen. Ketu in the Leo in the 5th house will be an indication of that. And again guys, Rahu transiting from the 11th house, all those sort of insurgency, all those like the issues which they are dealing within the country in terms of the Baloch rebels. So I mean to say, it's a very wake up alarm that if they will not take up any action, stern action against all these terrorist outfit, it is not good for the inner domestic harmony of the Pakistan as well. As you can see that the Ketu Mars combination, the conjunction is going to happen in the Pakistan's chart in the 5th house on the June 6th. So on June 6th, now many people has been talking about that the war will again escalate. More than the war, I'm actually thinking about some army coup which might happen in the month of the June and July as well. And because guys, not only in the June, this is going to be happening in the month of the July. Saturn, which is going to be transiting 8th from the natal Ketu, is also turning retrograde. Now guys, Jupiter is going to be transiting in their 3rd house. So yes, the 3rd and the 11th house is very accentuated. So I mean to say their diplomacy and propaganda will work in their favor, like the way like Turkey, Azerbaijan and other countries came to their aid and rescue, and even to an extent US was also keen towards helping them rescue